Hello friends, this is Baba
This is Babu,
and you are watching.
our hope tomorrow.
Our lives have changed with this coronavirus. All our pre-COVID day routine have gone for a toss completely.
Yes, it's been more than a year. I have not seen my school building, classroom, the playground, my teachers and friends.
No getting up in the morning, getting him ready for the school, no carrying school bag, waiting for the school bus in bus stop, waving goodbye. All these things have gone for a toss, are a distant memory now.
Yes, instead of that, it's just online classes. I'm sitting in my room staring at the screen period after period, no human touch. And the ones who have not experienced online classes will not know how boring it can be.
Initially, I thought that he would only miss his friends.
But now I have even started missing my teachers too.
Let's accept this. It's a major loss in our children's lives. And it would be very difficult for us even to understand that. Us who haven't faced this living in almost confinement for more than a year. So let's be patient and learn from this experience together. Actually, that's the only way we can find happiness. It's only after we accept and acknowledge the loss, we can think of how to bring happiness in their lives again. It's not only about studies, there are other needs too.
Yes, damage control. Let's be positive and choose the position of hope.
The first need was health and safety. And the second need was continuing with the education.
Hence, physical distancing and online classes. Yes, I get that.
Now it's very important to have a schedule for the children to follow. Else, all the free time would be consumed by smartphone and video games.
Empty brain is devil's workshop.
Right. The new routine should be a mixture of both online and offline.
On screen and off screen.
See, children need structure. It would be a great idea for the kid to have a routine because it gives him or her a sense of predictability. When he or she is supposed to work and when he is supposed to play. It of course differs from case to case, whether both the parents are working from home or they have to go to work. But if it's like our case where both the parents, we have to go out for work after opening up and the kid, he is living in home alone doing online class.
Well, it's the most tricky situation. That's what you said.
Yes. So I sat down with my boy and asked him, how are we going to handle this? Here comes tip number 1.
Collaborate.
It would be a good idea to involve your kid in making his or her own routine. It makes them accountable, it makes them responsible.
Right, it's my life and it's my time. After I made my routine, I showed it to my parents.
And what we saw is now he has got a lot of newfound time even after doing his study, his online classes and daily chores.
Because there was no time lost in my daily commuting.
So what are you going to do in this newfound time?
Firstly, some physical activities.
Right. Here comes tip number 2, daily exercise.
Right. At our growing age, it is very important to have some daily exercise. Obviously, body contact sports are out of the question. Swimming pool is also off limits. But what we can do is some running.
Exactly, running or even some daily.
Yes, some daily freehand exercises. Sure, you can do them in your room or even better under the open sky.
Open sky. Here comes tip number 3. Reconnect with nature. With all the safety precautions, include it in your routine. You just love the feeling of open space. It will make you happy.